Welcome to Estero Laptop Repair Service, where fast, reliable, and convenient laptop repair is just a call away in Estero, Florida. Do you need expert laptop repair? We come to your home or office, making service stress-free. We fix common issues like cracked screens, slow performance, battery replacements, virus removal, and hardware upgrades. Our professional repairs are tailored to your needs. With fast turnarounds, affordable pricing, and certified technicians, we ensure your laptop is in good hands. Curious about the Estero Laptop Repair Service cost? Call us today at 239-387-1900 for a free quote. We make laptop repairs hassle-free by bringing our technicians to you. Get your laptop back in working condition with the experts you can trust in Estero, Florida. We serve both homes and offices, where convenience meets expertise. Visit EsteroLaptopRepairService.com to book your repair service online today. Don't wait. Call 239-387-1900 now. Your laptop repair solution in Estero, Florida is just a call away.